Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing how to share reels on Instagram story full screen. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide. Make sure to follow till the end. So first, simply open your Instagram app onto your device. In the menu at the bottom of the app, select reels icon, which looks like a clapperboard, and in the middle you can see. Then scroll through the reels until you can find the one you wish to share. Then select the share icon. In the pop-up menu, select add to reel or story. Once the reel appears on your story, you're going to be posting however you would like. When you're finished, select your story and add to your stories or close friend to share with those who are in your close friends list. And yeah, so basically that is it for this process, and that's how you can share your Instagram story full screen. And yeah, make sure to give it a try. If you have an issue, let us know in the comments below. I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more. See you guys around.